In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Dank to your Discord server. This is fairly straightforward, so let's just get straight into it. So if I go to this server right here, you can see I have the Dank bot already in the server. But what I'm going to do in this video is add it to this brand new server that I created. So the first thing to do is go to a browser, and then you want to go to a website called top.gg. So it's just top.gg, hit search, and this will load up all the Discord bots that you can use on Discord. Then you just want to type Dank in the search bar. It's going to pop up right there at the top left. So click on that. And from here, you want to click on here where it says invite. So I'm going to invite Dank. And now it's going to take you to the web version of Discord. So you just have to log in with your details. So I'm going to enter that in now. Once you filled in your details, click on login. And now you need to grant Dank access. And this is 100% safe. So you need to select your server here. So I'll select that new one that I created, this one at the bottom. That's the server, and then click on continue. Just leave all this checked how it is, and then click on authorize, and then do the I am a human captcha. And it says thanks for adding Dank. So I can go back onto Discord now, go into that server, and I'll just refresh. Okay, so I need to go to the general text channel, sorry. So there it is, Dank added into that brand new Discord server that I created. So that is how you add Dank on Discord. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.